because I have a mustache. I am Italian. You know why I'm Italian? Because I feel like this. I am Italian. I am very good Italian. Goodness, goodness. Very good Italian. Very good, very good, very good. Flat zone, flat zone. I will pick this up with my bare hands, like I pick apples every day. Every day. Spencer knows all about this. He stopped. He got very soft. He stopped very well, very well, very well. He stepped very well, very well, very well. Very well, very well. Very well, very well. He stopped it very well. Oh, I stopped it very well. I stopped it very well. Very well, very well. Very well, very well, very well. On who? I don't know who, I don't know who. I don't know who you want man coverage on, but I put man coverage on. Stop the play, no! You don't stop the play. You don't stop the play. Hook zone, hook zone, hook zone. I already know what that is. I'm a fucking loser. Yellow, it's a yellow, it's a pink, it's a yellow, pink, yellow, it's yellow, pink, pink and yellow. Oh, he died. He did it there. Blitz, blitz, blitz. I'm blitzing. I'm smoking. I'm outside. Oh, sit down, boy. Pip, go away. Shit, Pip is in here. But you're jealous. Oh, I do the same exact play. I do it. I do the same exact play. It's the same exact play. Why would you run it twice? No, boy. No, big boy. Big boy. Big boy. Big boy. Thank you, bud. 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 Triple Lyman, how you feeling? Yeah, I earned a Derek Thomas. He's at the end. I didn't know that. Just kidding. I knew that. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Did you know that? I knew that. All the way up. Move for pressing square. Yes. Cursor. Oh, I think I get the first down, didn't it? Well, doesn't mean I can't use my defense of all the bows. Short slant, short slant. Oh, I thought too long is the pocket. You going to tell me for this? I restart. Because I'm a fucking loser. Horrible to the three-speed power O. And get the first down. Get the first down! And more. And more. Corner strike, corner strike. God! That's Spencer. God! God! Number two dick. For dot! Oh no! Oh no! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh no! Oh yeah! Dot? Can you say dot? Can you say dot? Fucking throwing darts and dots. Fucking all over the board. Oh, yeah, you failed that last one because you fucking suck at running. You fat fuck. We're trying again, and you will get this right. You will fail none on this try. Is it short slant? Short slants. Dots? You say dots? Throwing darts over here. Dots. So many dots. So many dots.
You wanna get that horse going, dude?
That I won't let you. I won't let you. Because once you get this first down, you're too late. But see what? I keep running. Over.
Is that why your guy keeps diving?
Yeah. That's what I get for trying that. Yes. Double A handle me again. Oh, fuck a nigga. Off that is. Ooh. Yeah. What? Okay, I ain't even mad. I got that first. It's all good, though. Dots. Sit down. Boy, big bait. Oh shit, I didn't even audible. Oh my god. I just started it. That's what I get for killing myself. Okay. Dots. Can you say Dotteroonie? Oh. He is sick with Eagles. Yeah, 'cause that makes sense. Did you see that? What the yeah, just fucking warp back up. 'Cause that fucking happens. No master. I am the best in Pokemon. Ah. We all three
How come
died.
there's no yellow footprints on the ground?
Why not, man? Dot! That's why. See? I didn't even get tackled and it just stopped. Don't warp up this time. Oh, oh. Oh, well. Oh, well. Oh, well. Oh, well.
GG.
GG. Got a doo-doo? Don't warp up. Don't warp up, Johnny. I just jumped over that guy, Gary. Alright. I'm cheating this system. I'm audibling. Jump over him. You're white. Did not expect that from you. And my last dot of the season. Oh my god, yeah, you caught me by a shoelace. What the head coach? Person shit. Yay! Tempogo retard.